Hi, this is a quick video to show teachers how to update the weekly student report on Teams. So this is a report we need to provide our sponsors of our students with weekly updates on the progress of their students. It's quite important for that. So the procedure will be that we will comment on the weekly achievement for each student for each course they study. You should back this up with LMS data and anything else you've set them in the classroom so that it informs the comments. You don't need to share that data here, but you should use that kind of things to inform it, if in case anyone asks, why did you make this comment? You should collaborate with your co-teachers as needed. So if you're an English teacher and you've got another couple of teachers you work with on the group, then you need to just check with them what comments you would put. And we need this to be updated on Teams on the Excel file by the end of Thursday every week. So I'll just show you quickly how it's done. So you would go into Teams, and on Teams we have the special project here. Go to Files. Then here we have weekly student report. So I will upload this in the week. And this is what the Excel file looks like. You notice here we've got A and C and column B is missing. And column B is the student name. I've just hidden it for the purpose of this video to keep it confidential. But in your report it would be there. So what you would do is you would go to each student and you need to put a comment, basically high, medium or low for each of the categories. Now for English, we've split it up into grammar and then the skills, and we also have ALCPT. So you need to put a comment for each one. What we'll do for the second week, we'll just copy it across and you'll make changes to the previous week. For maths, the maths teacher would need to do it. For the physics teacher, you would need to do it. So let's just say this is what the student looks like. I've color coded it so that so it's easier to present. So everything needs to go in here. General participation, you can agree on this as teachers, but how they participate in class, their attitude. Grammar, how they're doing in grammar, reading, listening, writing, speaking. And then I have left a space at the end for notes. So if you do want to add something like that you think might be relevant to the student, then you could put something about their attendance, any problems they're having, maybe some technical difficulties, anything on there that might help for a report that you think the sponsor would need to leave. We don't want it to be somewhere where you're putting loads of comments about the students, just a general thing so that a third party person could read it and be informed on how the students are doing. Okay, so that's the procedure. Let me know if you have any issues.